Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of equal. An individual or thing that is considered the same in quality or status as another. For example, we all treat each other as equals. American pronunciation. Equal. Equal. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Equal. Say. Equal. Equal means equal person. Equal. Equal. Equal origin. Late Middle English, from Latin aequalis, some, are more equal than other, dates back to the late 19th century, but it was popularized in George Orwell's Animal Farm 1945. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Several forms of verbal therapy have roughly equal effects, he noted. Now, repeat after me. Several forms of verbal therapy have roughly equal effects, he noted. The second practice. The film has its fascinating and tedious elements, in nearly equal measure. Now, repeat after me. The film has its fascinating and tedious elements, in nearly equal measure.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.